Hello guys, my name is Arsalan and today we are gonna solve a numerical analysis problem by the modified Euler method. It is a type of a Euler method which is but it is more accurate than Euler method. So we take an example. Here is an example. Find y 1.0 accurate up to 4 decimal places using modified Euler's method by solving the IVP y dash is equal to minus 2xy square, y 0 is equal to 1 with step length 0.2. So we have to be careful about that our answer should be accurate up to 4 decimal places. So our given equation is this and the step length is 0.2. So let's start. So first we take function of this equation, the fxy is equal to minus 2xy square. So we are gonna take the y dash is equal to minus 2x. We break into two parts, 2x into y into y. Y is 0.0. Our first step is y 0.0 is equal to 1 with h is equal to 0.2. h is our step length which is given in our example, in our question. So the given information is to us is y0 is 1.0. so we know the formula of the Euler's. First we have to solve this question by the Euler formula, and then we modified the answer by the modified Euler's iterations. So here we using Euler's solution, which is y dash 1, which is y dash 1, which is y dash 1 is equal to y naught plus h into minus 2x y into y bracket 1. So we solve the whole equation and we get the answer y 0.2 is equal to 1. So we use this equation and put it in the modified Euler's iterations. So our first iteration is y0 plus 0.5 h. H is the step length which is given in equation. We multiply it by the y dash and into the 0. This equation goes on into the further steps and we get the answer is equal to, which we get the answer, first answer is 0.9599, and then we done this step again and we get the answer 0.963135599, and we repeat this step until we get the 4 consecutive numbers, four same decimal points, and then we put this answer in the Euler's formula and we solve the Euler formula and we get the answer 0.88, and then we put the y 0.40 in the modified Euler's iterations and we repeat the steps until we get the exact answer or the most accurate answer. So our answers is 0.8626. Next step we get answer 0.866. Here we can see that our answer is improving step by step. So 0.40 we get the answer 0.865, and the next step we get the answer 0.865. so we can see that our answer is getting accurate at 4 decimal places. So we repeat these steps until we can get the exact answers of our solution. But we have to careful about our iterations, that which value we have to put in these equations, because we have a lot of y and the x. So we have to put the values which is consecutive to the upper equation. So the final answer is 0.503095. So this is our final answer. We can see that the y at 1 is equal to 0.503095 is the final answer. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy this.